All right, this video is to cover how to use the transform tools to change like size, rotation, all that stuff of things in Photoshop. So for example, for this one, I have this cat picture and oh, this flower that I'm putting around this cat is just way too big. So first things first is make sure you are on the proper layer. So for example, if I want to mess with this flower, I have to make sure that that is the layer that I am on. Now, if I wanted to mess with this flower and all the other ones were on the same layer, I would have to make sure to just select that. So we've talked about selecting in a different video, but in case you forgot, you're going to want to go back and watch that. Now, I am on just that layer and I am on just that picture, which is awesome. So now I'm going to go up here to edit. And we have our transform tools. Now you can free transform, which means that you can do all of it at once. But if you're a little concerned that you're going to mess something up, you can just do scale one at a time. So I can scale. Let's say I want to make it so that it's not scaling. Maybe I want to make it really wide or something. I need to lock and unlock up here. So I'm going to relock it, and that's going to make it go back to the way that it was. I can move it around a little bit. Let's say I want to rotate. I can also do transform rotate. And so I can change that at the same time. And then you have your other transform tools in here as well. So this is where you'd hit your skew, distort, perspective, all these fun things. Once you are done, so once I am happy with the size of this and its rotation, I can lock that into place. You can either click this check mark or just hitting enter or return on your keyboard. And so now it is good to go. So that is where you would find your transform tools for scale and rotate and whatnot. Hopefully this helped jog your memory for when we talked about this in class, but if not, remember you can always ask Ms. Covart.